Welcome to Handmade by Hallie. Thanks for joining me again today. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these Dollar Tree vase projects. You'll need a vase, you will need some Mod Podge and a paintbrush, some of the fake snow or some Epsom salt. Here I have taken this one and used some etching solution, which didn't end up working. So I'm going to cover this with the Mod Podge and sprinkle the fake snow over where I have painted the Mod Podge on. I did take a piece of paper and block out the empty space. Quite easy to do. You can choose whatever shape of empty space you want on your jar. It's a pretty easy project at this point. Just get it painted really good. Then I use an empty box to catch all the extra so I can put it back in my bag and just sprinkle it all over. Go back and touch up any of the spots that you missed, and it looks pretty good. Just set it and let it dry. Next, I'm going to go over some of the other supplies that you will need. You will need a couple of pieces of greenery. I just cut these off a branch. You will need some 1/4 inch ribbon to make a bow, and any other decorations you want to add. You will also need a small string of battery powered lights, and you can kind of see here I have battery powered lights that are glued underneath, and the cord goes up the back side of the jar, and I just covered that with the snow again. And these are pretty fun to do, pretty easy. You can do them in any color, in any style. So enjoy. Now I will show you how to insert whatever design you have chosen to put inside your jar. I have put this Christmas tree on a piece of small styrofoam, covered it with some wet snow, and now I'm going to just put some hot glue on the bottom of it after I've wrapped the lights around it, kind of push the other lights in the bottom of the jar, and there you go. You have your project all finished. And here are the varieties that I've done: red tree, white tree, colored lights with Santa, white lights with a snowman, and a green tree.